My dear Kenny, when we talked about writing these letters, you were worried and so was I. It was an uncanny coincidence that at the exact same time over text we said that we were worried because it was hard to put into words what we mean to each other, so I will keep it short and sweet. Today is the day that starts the rest of our lives together. Even though I have dreamed about my wedding day since I was little, I never dreamed that I would get to marry someone like you. Someone who puts me above all else, is caring and selfless, and always makes it your goal to make me feel loved and beautiful no matter what. I cannot imagine living a day in my life without you being a part of it, and I cannot wait to begin our forever today. I'm beyond excited to see what our future holds and where life takes us, and I have no doubts today or ever because I know that I will have you by my side, and that is all I need. As we've been told, we are a power couple. You are a blessing from God in my life, and you make me a better person each day. I love you today, I always will, and you are my forever. I am you, you are me, we are us. Love always, Anna Caroline.
Bye, Zach. Say bye. You won't see them until first, I don't think. They have the same dress? Yeah, they do. Okay. Even better.
Today is the day I could not wait for. Until I met you, I did not know this day even existed. Remember the first time you stayed over my place? You said, "Don't you get any ideas or I will end this little thing." This little thing is still going and never ending. I love you, Anna Bear. Soon it will be, I love you, Anna Bonneke. I can't wait to look back 30 plus years and see how cute we were. Only change will be how cute we are as Mr. and Mrs. Smith as I shuffle around the house. You will be my lover, my wife, and our children's mother. No matter what, you will be my life. There is no way to sum this up. My saying is, I have said before, you are me, I am you, we are us. Today is going to be amazing. The people, the venue, the memories, and all the other wedding things. I really don't care about any of that. I care about us making memories starting today. Let's say I do and start living life. I love you, babe. Your hubby, Ken.
We pray that your marriage be filled with joy. But we know that in this life, it will also be filled with challenges. There will be sad times as well as glad. But that as you are now one, you can rejoice together and know that God is rejoicing with you. When you have the burden of sorrow or strife, it's not doubled, but rather shared between the two of you in the knowledge that God is with you through that as well, holding you up and supporting you.
don't be afraid to reach out, really. No matter what you run into, somebody in this room has probably experienced it before or knows somebody who has, quite honestly. So remember that. You're not alone in this. As you conduct your marriage, do so in a discreet and honorable way, because one day you may be where I'm standing right now, and you look down and you've got 30 years of scratches on your wedding band, and somebody will be looking to you to do the very same. Pay it forward. Godspeed.
Anna and Ken, your love is so genuine and sweet and a little bit weird that you can fill up an entire room with light and happiness. It's impossible not to see the love, the genuine friendship, and honesty between the two of you. This day will always be a highlight in my life, and I am so grateful to be part of it today. So, tonight, I am truly honored to help welcome you, Ken, to the Bear family and to give you my best friend. Ken is somebody that can make anybody feel comfortable. You know, you can crash your car into something and he'll say, it's okay, we'll figure it out, no big deal. We've got this. He makes everybody feel comfortable. He can find common ground with anybody. He is genuine and he is loyal and he is so giving. He would give anything for anybody, whether he knew you well or not. So I think Anna sees how selfless he is, and she is so drawn to that and so attracted to that quality in him.